Our team, so we're talking about Ozempic Breast. We've had so many questions about this. And so a couple things that's really cool is, some of the new 6th generation implants, no question, help decrease that rippling, decrease that show. Also, some really new products like Alaclay, are super helpful as well, because the issue is that you get loss of some of this buffer layer. So, yellow probably wasn't the right choice, but you get the idea. So, you lose some of that fatty layer here because the gland, typically stays the same until you get hormone changes, but you lose some of that natural insulation layer. So there's a couple ways to redo that, right? Either with some products, whether it's fat or Alaclay, something like that, using an implant that's super smooth, and that's why 100% filled implant is super helpful. The other really cool thing that we've been playing with, and I think you're going to see more of this, is whether some of that nesting effect can be super helpful with the Ozempic Breast, right? Because the idea between the preservation is you're not cutting any of these supportive tissues, you're not cutting any of that supportive bands, so you're actually keeping everything intact, so it's not retracting up, you're still pulling it as in terms of like a tent, and that's how you get that up, that's how you keep it super taut, and then the more tissue you can keep, especially when we only have a little bit, the better you're going to be. So a few little things shared for you guys. All right, we'll see you soon. Bye.